Hello, David again at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a 2023 23-foot Harris Sunliner. We have the silver matte gray exterior with a black accent, docking lights, flip-up cleats, power bimini top, Mercury 150. As I move around the back, I want to point out that this is a 3-tune boat, Performance Level 2. Performance Level 2 comes standard with a ski bar, full center length pontoon with 37 gallons of gas tank. Another key feature on this boat that was ordered in was the saltwater package. That's that anode on the back and the solid keel all the way down the bottom. That indicates this boat is safe for saltwater, of course, with bottom paint. As we move forward, we can see the Mercury 150, the stainless steel boarding ladder, nice wide entranceway. Speakers facing aft, has the upgraded sound system with a JL head unit, 6 speakers. French gray interior. There's a change room right in that port side storage. Of course, the full mooring cover. Trash can underneath the port seat. Standard all Harris's. Sunliner indicates the cross stitching, the armrest, plenty of cup holders, charge ports. If we look in there, there's a white ring in the cup holders. That indicates that it has the interior lighting package. So underneath the seats will glow, the cup holders will glow, and also the speakers with RGB green. Up here on the helm, we have a tilt steering, lockable glove box, SIM-rad, and wireless phone charger, detachable windshield. This boat is loaded up with all the right options. It is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, I'd love to show it to you. Thank you for watching.